Hi everyone. I'm going to walk you through how a unit manager can create schedule for an employee both in their own unit and the other units where the employee is shared to. I'll be showing this in both schedule and base schedule views. Right now, I'm logged in as a unit manager. This particular manager is assigned to all the units shown in the dropdown. I'm selecting shared unit 1 to demonstrate how to schedule a shift for an employee who is shared across units. So here is the workflow. Go to People tab. I have an employee named Demo1. When I click the employee role, you will see all the list of the units that the employees currently have a role on. If you want to assign a new role to the employee in a new unit, we can simply add here by choosing any of the available unit listed below. So this is the first step. Now I'm going to add a shift to that employee. So here we have that employee. Now we are in schedule view. So now I'm going to add a shift to that employee in an away unit. So here you have a unit field where in this drop down you can see all the units that employee is shared to. So now I'm going to choose shared unit 2, and in this shift type field you can able to see all the shift type that belongs to this unit. So now I'm choosing shared unit 2 and the date and start and end time of the shift, and then I'm clicking save. So this shift is created as an away shift here in the schedule view, as this shift belongs to shared unit 2. So now I'm going to go to shared unit 2 to see how this shift looks in that schedule view. So here this shift looks as a normal shift and it is landed in shared unit 2 on the day that we have created in the schedule view of the another unit. So you can able to edit, delete and all the CRUD operations. So this is the first flow in schedule view, and you can also able to edit and delete here as well. You can, if you want, you can change the unit and choose a new shift type, and then you can save. So this is the one flow, and then now I'm gonna show you how we can able to create shifts for the employee in away units in base schedule. For that we need to create a new base schedule by giving a new name, and you can choose any template period, like for example 1 week or 2 weeks. Now I'm going to choose 2 weeks for example, and I'm creating a new base schedule here. So now I created a new base schedule. Once I created, you can able to see all the employees that belongs to this unit and also the employees who is shared to that unit. So I'll choose the same employee to create shifts in an away unit. So now I'm gonna choose units, shift types, and we can also choose days for the weeks and then click save. So now I created 3 shifts here in shared unit 2. For example, I'll also create by choosing different unit, maybe here, and for some days. So I have created some shifts to this employee in an away units. So that's why it looked grayed out, as it is not created in this unit. For example, if I create one shift in this unit, it will appear as a normal shift. As you see here, we can also edit, delete and do all the CRUD operations here. Once I created all the shifts, now I'm going to roll out this shift for some period. Something during December, and I'm rolling out now. So I have some warnings that I need to sort it out before rolling out. So one shift is not rolled out because this employee is exceeded the time, which is fine, that we can still roll out by ignore the warnings. So now I rolled out my shift. So now I'm gonna go see how it looks in schedule view during December. So it all appeared as an away shift, as this all the shifts belongs to different units, and this shift that created in this unit appeared as a normal shift. So now I'm going to go shared unit 2 and see how it looks on December. Yeah, it appears as a normal shift, and the shift created in shared unit 1 appeared as an away shift. So that's it.